I am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with ZY Fertility Centers. Resuming sexual activity after childbirth is a very common concern for many couples. The best time to have intercourse depends on physical healing, hormonal changes, emotional readiness, and contraceptive consideration. So, when can you safely resume intercourse? Generally, obstetricians say that waiting for at least 4 to 6 weeks after delivery is the better time for resuming intercourse. Why is this? Because this allows time for the uterus to heal and return to its normal size, vaginal bleeding to stop, any perineal tears or episiotomy to heal, or if C-section was performed, the incision also to recover if C-section was performed. So there are some factors that can affect when you have intercourse, because type of delivery is what is important. If it is a vaginal birth with no tears, you may feel ready after 4 to 6 weeks. If it's a vaginal birth with tears or episiotomy, healing may take 6 to 8 weeks or longer depending on severity. If it was a C-section or a section delivery, wait for 6 weeks or more to allow for the incision to heal properly. If it was something with the vaginal bleeding after delivery, then waiting for 4 to 6 is a better time. Having intercourse too early increases the risk of infection because the cervix is still open. There are some hormonal changes and vaginal dryness also, because estrogen levels drop post delivery, leading to vaginal dryness, especially in breastfeeding mothers. Using lubrication can help, of course, if intercourse feels uncomfortable. This pain and discomfort, of course, the pelvic floor muscles stretch during pregnancy and delivery, and this may cause discomfort during intercourse. Pelvic floor exercises like Kegels can improve strength and reduce pain. Also, emotional readiness has to be there. Sleep deprivation, stress, and adjusting to motherhood can reduce libido. Communication with your partner is essential for emotional and physical comfort. So waiting till you are physically and emotionally ready is important. Use a water-based lubricant to combat vaginal dryness. Start slow with a gentle foreplay and communication. Do pelvic floor exercises to strengthen vaginal muscles, and consult a doctor if you're experiencing severe pain or discomfort. But can you get pregnant soon after delivery? Yes, ovulation can return as early as 3 to 4 weeks after delivery, even before your first period. Breastfeeding does not guarantee contraception unless you follow strict guidelines for lactation. Use contraceptives if you're not ready for another pregnancy. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.